Hello and welcome to another episode of your favorite New 5. First off, share the video with your friends, pull in more people to make it more fun. In this episode, let's auscultate for breath sounds. Vesicular breathing, 肺泡呼吸音 bronchial breathing, 支气管呼吸音 broncho-vesicular breathing, 支气管肺泡呼吸音 Cogwheel breathing, 断续性呼吸音 Asthmatic breathing, 消弭音 vesicular breathing, 肺泡呼吸音 vesicular breathing, 肺泡呼吸音 Vesicular sounds are soft, blowing or rustling sounds normally heard throughout most of the lung fields. Bronchial breathing, 支气管呼吸音 bronchial breathing, 支气管呼吸音 Bronchial sounds are present over the large airways in the anterior chest near the second and third intercostal spaces. Broncho-vesicular breathing, 支气管肺泡呼吸音 Broncho-vesicular breathing, 支气管肺泡呼吸音 Broncho-vesicular sounds are heard in the posterior chest between the scapula and in the center part of the anterior chest. Cogwheel breathing, 断续性呼吸音 Cogwheel breathing, 断续性呼吸音 This is a breathing pattern characterized by a repeated series of brief interruptions of inhalation and exhalation. Asthmatic breathing, 消弭音 Asthmatic breathing, 消弭音 In asthma, the expiratory phase is several times longer than in bronchial breathing and the pitch is much higher. Alright, well, let's close this session. Thank you all for watching this time, and if you like the video, subscribe for more or leave me a like. And have a good day. I'll see you next time.